Students, next let's we see the exercise 3.5. First question, which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution, no solution or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using the cross multiplication method. Okay, so the first subdivision, x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0, 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, for identifying whether it will be having a unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solutions, the first step is to write the given equations in a standard form. The standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so you have to write in the standard form, then you have to substitute in the condition. So I will write the conditions first in the right side. So it is, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then it will be having a unique solution. Okay, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then it will be having infinitely many solutions. Okay, then if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then it will be having no solution. Clear? So if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the given pair of equations will be having a unique solution. Then if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the solutions will be having, then the equations will be having infinitely many solutions. Clear? Then if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then the given pair of equations will be having no solution. Clear? Okay, first let me analyze the first subdivision. Okay, first pick out the values of a1 a2, b1 b2 and c1 c2. a1 is 1, a2 is 3, then b1 is minus 3, b2 is minus 9, then c1 the constant in the first equation which is minus 3, c2 the constant in the second equation which is minus 2. Okay, so substitute in these conditions, a1 by a2 which is equal to 1 by 3, then b1 by b2 which is equal to minus 3 by minus 9 which gives 1 by 3, then c1 by c2 which is minus 3 by minus 2, so minus minus getting cancelled, so it is 3 by 2. So c1 by c2 is 3 by 2, here b1 by b2 is 1 by 3, a1 by a2 is 1 by 3. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, then c1 by c2 is 3 by 2. Okay, so we can conclude a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Clear? These things are equal, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, but this is different. So which is not equal to c1 by c2. So if I am getting this condition, see here, it will be having no solution. Okay, so let us conclude the given pair of linear equations will be having no solution. Clear? So the given pair of linear equations will be having no solution. Okay. Next, the second subdivision, 2x plus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Okay, first write the equations in the standard form. So it is 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, then 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, now pick out the values of a1, a2, b1, b2, then c1, c2. Okay, so a1 is the coefficient of x in the first equation, which is 2. a2 is the coefficient of x in the second equation, which is 3. Then again b1 is 1, b2 is 2, then c1 is minus 5, c2 is minus 8. Okay, thus we have found the values of the coefficients. Then find a1 by a2. Okay, so a1 by a2 is 2 by 3. Then values b1 by b2, which is 1 by 2. See here, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 because two by 3 is not equal to 1 by 2. So we can conclude a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then see the condition. If this condition prevails, then a unique solution will be obtained. So the given equations will be having a unique solution. Okay. So if these equations are having a unique solution, then we have to find the solution by using the cross multiplication method. So let us solve. First draw the diagram, which is x divided by y divided by then 1 divided by. Here starting with the y coefficients, that is b1, b2, then c1, c2, then a1, a2, then ending with b1, b2. Okay, so just like this. Okay, now write the condition. It is x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay. Now substitute the values. It is x divided by b1 into c2, that is 1 into minus 8, 1 into minus 8 minus b2 c1, which is 2 into minus 5, 2 into minus 5 is equal to y divided by c1 into a2, that is minus 5 into 3, minus 5 into 3 minus c2 a1, which is minus 8 into 2, minus 8 into 2, which is equal to 1 divided by a1 b2, that is 2 into 2, 2 into 2 minus a2 b1, that is 3 into 1, 3 into 1. Now simplifying, x divided by 1 into minus 8 is minus 8, then minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10 is equal to y divided by minus 5 into 3 gives minus 15, then minus into minus plus 8 2s are 16 is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 2 gives 4 minus 3 into 1 gives 3. Clear? So it is x divided by minus 8 plus 10 gives plus 2, then y divided by minus 15 plus 6 gives plus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 4 minus 3 gives 1. Okay. Now, we have to equate x by 2 with 1 by 2 to obtain the value of x. So, equating x divided by 2 is equal to 1 divided by 1. So, it implies, just cross multiply it, x into 1 gives x is equal to 1 into 2. So, the value of x is 2. Then equate this term with this term, y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1, then we can find the value of y. So, just cross multiply, y into 1 is equal to 1 into 1, thus the value of y is 1. Okay. Thus, we have found the solutions, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So, it is the unique solution of this given pair of equations. The solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Clear?